Hello guys! As you saw in the title, I'm making oranges! To be clear, this is not a cooking or craft tutorial because I'm not going to explain anything about how to make it. Well, maybe a little, but that's not the main purpose of this video. Today, I will tell you about my school and what assignments we get. I guess I should start by explaining to what school I go. My school is an art school and it's called HKU. Its meaning is Hogeschool voor de Kunsten. Located in Utrecht, and I'm doing the course of Fine Art and Education. It's given for 4 years, and I'm a first year. So, you may be curious about what I'm actually doing now, like making oranges for art school. Isn't that just making crafts? Is it even art? So, we have this class called Space, ruimtelijk. And it was sort of an introduction assignment. The second half of this year, we got a new teacher and he didn't know about us. So it is an assignment to get to know each other. The first assignment we got from him was to go to the streets and pick up trash. Pick up one garbage and take it with you. Explain why you liked it and where you find it. What I found was a table leg. It was black and made of metal. There was even a table, but it was too heavy, so I thought, nah, this table leg should do. So I took it back to school, and my teacher said, make an exact replica of the garbage you found. So I did. It's a long, black, square ball. Really easy, right? But I had really trouble making this. The skin of that table leg was slightly bumpy with a sheen, so I had to experiment with different materials to get that effect. That's one of the things I really like about art school. They give you the space and time to do whatever you like. You want to know about elephants? Sure, research all you want, but we want to see the results and why you did it. That's one of the most important questions art school can ask you. You want to know more about how you think and what's your perspective on things. And what do you want to communicate to the people who are looking at your art? Or do you even want to say something? Art is different for everyone. At school, we often have a discussion about what art can be, and it's really hard sometimes, but I like it. So, back to the assignment I got from a teacher, I found a way to make the special skin of the table leg. The second assignment was what is your association with your found object? And so here we are. I'm making oranges. Maybe you already knew, but the skin of the bar really interested me, and it let me tell of oranges. They have the same skin. That slightly bumpy and sheen skin of the oranges is really interesting. So to the question, is it art? I don't know, but it's something I associated with that table leg. And well, maybe I can maybe make something different from those oranges. I don't know. The process is important. And we already got the third assignment, and that's something that it's completely up to you because we have to explain with art, of course, what's going on in your head. And it's only you can know, and only you know how to express it. It's a very free assignment, but one of the requirements was to make something that can be done in the metal or wood workshop. Unfortunately, the measure for the coronavirus just started with us, and the school has now closed its doors, so everyone has to work at home. It's sad, but now we can use a war room or even the house to make this artwork. I'm still very motivated to do this assignment, even though I can't see the people I really want to see and it's kind of lonely. But now I can concentrate on making art and doing the things I like. So I'm curious about how my art will turn out after this. I will be making more videos in the future to let you see my progress And well, for now, it will mostly be paintings and drawings, but when we get back to school, I'll definitely show you the workplaces and all the different things the students make. It's really interesting, by the way. So don't forget to subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. I post there almost every day. And if you have a question, comment down below, and we see you next week.